Hi everyone. Today I'm going to look at YouTube Analytics. Parsing your analytics is an important step in developing a marketing campaign and promoting your brand. I'll show you the statistics available and let you do your own analysis. Let's get started. The first page of Analytics is an overview. I can filter by a particular video, geography, or a time span, which can be preset or custom. I can see important numbers at a glance. Real-time updates play statistics every 10 seconds. The next series of pages are the reports. I'll look at the revenue reports when I look at monetization. Watch time gives us some basic numbers. I can display this information in a number of formats. One important piece of information for me is the average percent viewed. Audience retention can be a really important factor to look at. If you are gaining or losing viewers, knowing the time frame can help narrow down what is and is not working for you. Demographics can tell you the audience you are reaching. If you want to target a certain gender or age group, you can see how effective your efforts have been. Use playback locations for tracking how your virtual audience is viewing you. Traffic sources lets you know how people are finding your videos. Sources include a YouTube search, featured and suggested videos, or through a channel or playlist. External includes traffic from websites and apps that embed your videos or link to your videos on YouTube. If we have added cards or annotations, they'll be here too. The Devices page lets you know what devices and operating systems your audience is using. Engaging your audience is the goal. YouTube provides engagement reports to see how you are doing. Similar to audience retention, the subscribers page lets you track subscribers gained and lost. Likes and dislikes gives you a popularity check. Videos and playlists tracks how many times your videos are added and deleted from the playlists of others. Comments lets you know how many comments you have received, but not the content. If viewers are sharing your videos, you know you are heading in the right direction. If you went to the trouble of annotating your videos, you can see how successful you've been. And if your cards have had any activity, you will see the data here. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool for learning what marketing strategies are working and which ones are not. This helps you refine your message and target your preferred audience. I'll look at other benefits you can derive from YouTube in future videos. Thanks for watching.